Welcome to SAP MM Online Training. In this session, I'll explain how the course is structured and why it's worth your time. We'll discuss its unique teaching approach, and you'll see how it can transform your professional skills. By the end, you'll know exactly what you'll achieve. And trust me, it's not just a certificate to frame on the wall. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Let's dive into SAP MM, shall we? It's the backbone for managing materials in various industries. From procurement to inventory, this module covers it all. We'll also explore why industries can't function efficiently without it. So buckle up. This module is your VIP pass to understanding supply chain management. All right, let's talk about what makes SAP MM stand out. With streamlined procurement and inventory systems, you'll work smarter, not harder. It offers real-time data. You'll feel like a wizard predicting outcomes. And yes, cost savings. That's the cherry on top. By the end, you'll be thinking, why wasn't I using this before? Master data is like the secret sauce. It holds everything together. We'll chat about its types and why they are indispensable for processes. Think of it as the foundation. Without it, everything crumbles. Oh, and maintaining accuracy. That's the magic trick every professional must master. Procurement sounds boring, but not here. We'll explore its steps, SAP MM's contribution, and how automation makes life easier. Picture this. You're ordering supplies effortlessly, no hiccups or delays. That's the power of a well-oiled procurement process. Exciting, isn't it? Ever felt lost tracking inventory? SAP MM to the rescue. It helps you manage levels, movements, and discrepancies like a pro. Think of it as your personal assistant for warehouse optimization. Trust me, even your stock will thank you for it. MRP is like having a crystal ball for material needs. You'll learn the purpose, steps, and tools to excel. Imagine avoiding shortages while reducing waste. It's like magic, but backed by SAP MM. You'll love the clarity it brings. Purchasing is the heart of SAP MM. We'll learn how to create flawless purchase orders and navigate approvals like a breeze. Oh, and best practices. Those are your golden tickets to success. By the end, you'll nail purchasing like a pro. Invoice verification might sound tedious, but SAP MM makes it seamless. We'll explore its steps, tackle common errors, and embrace automation. You'll even ensure compliance like a rock star. Who knew verifying invoices could be so satisfying? Integration is where SAP MM shines brightest. We'll connect it with other modules, see benefits, and enjoy smoother operations. Think of it as the glue binding everything together. Once you master this, your efficiency will skyrocket. Welcome to this slide. We'll explore vendor management in a nutshell. First, I'll talk about how to qualify vendors effectively. Then, I'll explain the performance metrics used for evaluation. We'll also touch on strengthening vendor relationships. And lastly, I'll highlight how to analyze costs and risks. By the end, you'll be the maestro of vendor evaluations, with fewer headaches and more insights. Let's dive into SAP MM. In this slide, I'll briefly cover the modules within SAP MM. Next, I'll discuss why customization is your secret weapon for meeting business goals. I'll also share handy tips for smooth configurations. And don't worry, I'll flag common challenges so you can stay one step ahead. Consider this your cheat sheet for SAP mastery. Here comes the exciting part, data reporting in SAP MM. I'll showcase key reports and how to make the most of reporting tools. Then, I'll guide you through reading data, like a pro for better decision-making. Finally, I'll share how insights can supercharge performance. Think of this as your crash course on turning numbers into results. Let's talk challenges, because every system has them. In this slide, I'll walk you through common hiccups in SAP MM. But don't fret, I'll also share tried-and-tested strategies to tackle them. Plus, we'll reflect on lessons learned from real examples and end with best practices to keep your workflow smooth. It's like learning to dodge life's SAP curveballs. Who doesn't love a good story? In this slide, I'll share success stories of SAP MM in action. We'll dive into real-world applications and explore how different industries benefit. Next, I'll highlight key lessons learned and finish off by showing you how to adapt these insights to your own business. Consider this your inspiration session. This is our grand finale. We'll recap the highlights from today. I'll also emphasize why lifelong learning in SAP MM is crucial. Then, I'll nudge you toward advanced features to explore next. Finally, we'll set actionable goals for your SAP mastery journey. Think of it as your roadmap to becoming an SAP superstar. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.